Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll go through strategies on getting targeted followers on Instagram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn ways to get targeted followers for your business and tools to help you get targeted followers. First of all, you need to know how to make good use of hashtags. While hashtags originated on Twitter, it quickly became an integral part of social media in general. Today, the density and frequency of Instagram hashtags are much greater than on Twitter because companies have realized that the success of an Instagram marketing campaign depends a lot on proper hashtagging. Every time you upload your Instagram content, you can customize your post with short messages and hashtags. The message and hashtag, of course, has to be relevant to your business and brand core identity, and best if it communicates your brand values as well. This is to keep things consistent and build brand awareness amongst your followers. When you hashtag your Instagram uploads, it helps to organize your images and video content so that it becomes accessible to your followers in the future. It also creates its own individual story. How? Well, when an accompanying hashtag is clicked on in Instagram, it'll bring up all the photos that have been hashtagged with the same word, creating a unique visual storyboard. Brands and businesses can leverage this by keeping the hashtags to be the same as their core values and identity. For example, if your brand embodies the values and the spirit of adventure and travel, you can put a unique hashtag that personifies your business. Another example would be if you're selling fashion on Instagram, you would definitely want to hashtag OOTD or OOTN, which is widely known as outfit of the day or outfit of the night, respectively. To assist you in getting more targeted followers, you can consider Target Grow. It's a tool that targets followers for your Instagram account. All you need to do is enter hashtags relevant to your business, and Target Grow will identify quality targets and enable engagement. New prospects gain awareness of your business and follow you, so you can engage and convert them. Target Grow has a smart targeting system that tunes itself to suit your goals. Plus, the smart algorithm identifies the influencers and intenders most relevant to your business. In this way, you're able to gain followers and prospects to increase word of mouth and, of course, your revenue.